Hey everyone, welcome to another live trading series. Today is Friday, September 18th. It is around 9:50 a.m. and I'm just watching SPY tanking hard right now. I'm not sure what's going on. It's obviously dividend day. This, SPY drops a little bit, but I didn't expect this much right at open. I'm going to be coming back to this. We might be opening up a spread, but I do want to monitor it for a little more just to see where it goes. What I will do, I do have a bunch. If you take a look here, I have a bunch of options expiring today. So if we look, the first one is Afria. I have 10 covered calls at the $7 strike that expire today. So I do want to close them out and open up new ones for next month. So obviously what you do is you click on it, buy or sell. I already had it open. I'm going to be closing them out at $1 each. What's annoying is that everyone's asking $2, and yeah, I'm hoping these get closed out just so I can open up new ones right away. If we go buy to order, buy to close, 10 Afria calls for today, $10 plus commission. We select that. What I'm going to do is reopen for next month. Afria. I've been rolling these for months, never getting called away. If we go here, select the same strike, 10. We're going to select the midpoint, so 0.2. Sell to open, 10 covered calls, making $200. Not bad at all. So I really hope these get filled. Let's fill out our spreadsheet. Freya, these are part of my covered calls. I've been rolling them for a while. Let's move this up. My cost basis is $5.50. So I've been doing pretty well. If I'm able to get these called away, minus $10. Yeah, I don't know why I show it in US, just for, I guess, continuity, but I'm earning them in Canadian dollars. Let's continue. I do have weed. I'm only making $70 off of this. Let's take a look where weed is. Expires today, the 27 call. Let's close this one out. I want to close it out at a penny. Buy to close. Click OK. Once this gets filled, it'll either expire worthless if no one buys, or it'll get closed out. So I'll still be able to sell another one at the 27 strike. Ooh, this is very far away. I wonder if I'll be able to get any premium even. Yeah, this is bad. Look at this. Let's go. What is my cost basis? 22. Okay. So I don't mind going, let's say if I do 25. This is annoying. I was hoping to get a little more. Let's choose 0.5, $50. This is nothing at all. Minus 10, this is my realized income. We have TD Bank as well. I sold covered calls, expiring today. TD. Let's close these one out. Sell another one. Close at a penny. I want to close these out early. $4. And then TD.TO. My cost basis is around 63. So I'm hoping they'll give me good premium. Can I go 65? In a month, I do predict it increasing. Past 64. Let's sell. 65 strike. Order filled. Afria, nice. 0.28. Let's sell. Sell to open. 112. Let's do this. I have 2 orders here. Let's continue filling this out. Minus 10, I guess. And then we chose the 65 strike. 0.28. This is nothing. $112 for having 24,000 of shares. That's frustrating. Let's continue rolling these. Let me do SLV. So SLV, if you look, I've been rolling it. I've been doing it 4 weeks in a row, and it's been expiring worthless every time, and I've been able to resell. SLV, where is it? Call. 3 covered calls, 2 cents. I'm loving this. So let's buy it back at a penny. Buy to close. Then we'll just open a new one. SLV. Let's go for next week. 26. Ah, this is low. Wow. What happened? Why is it so low? 26, 25.50, 26. This is bad. I was hoping to get more. 25.50. That's so close. Okay, let me sell. My cost basis is 25. I'd like to sell at 26, but sell to open. Well, yeah, 81 bucks. This is not good at all. Let's fill this out. This is so bad. This is less than ideal. Making like $50, but let's look. Do we have anything else? Inno, Neo. Let's see. Anything else expiring today, September 18th? Neo. Oh, look at this. Neo's very in the money. It's at 19 right now. That's why it's over $2 and it's due today. September 18th, closing this one out. I don't have any more expiring today. Do we have puts? I already rolled my puts. September 18th. I'm going to close this one out. Let's do something about Neo because it's currently trading at, where's Neo? $19, and I sold my strike at 17. I do have room to play with this. What I'm going to do, so right now, this is the one I own. I sold a call at 17. It's around 240. But why don't I push it out 2 weeks, sell at the same strike, or maybe I could sell a strike more. What if I go 3 weeks? If I sell an in the money call higher, I can bank a little bit more. Let's take a look at what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pay $240, $245 to close this one out. So I'm losing $245, but I'm gonna sell one $1 more. So I'll be making another $1 here because I'm going from 17 to 18, and I'll be making another $20 to cover my commission here. So take a look. Let's see, how do I play this? If we go Neo, my call, if I close this one out at a loss of 245, buy to close, I want this to get filled. So sold at 245, which was a loss. Let me buy it back and see what happens. Here, if we do $1 more in the money at 265. So let me see my orders. Okay, so my order was filled to sell it, but the buy to close wasn't. So I should be making a little bit here. This wasn't obviously my smartest play. Let's take a look at how it looks. So here, realized was minus 245, but I'm selling at 18 for, what did I sell it for? 267, I believe. Okay, so I think that's everything for now. I'll fix this schedule. I think that's everything for now. I'm looking at a few more plays. My Apple put is in the money. That's kind of annoying. Oh, I need to sell more. I usually do 30 contracts of Air Canada, but it kept increasing, and then, you know, I only had 9 filled. Let's see what Air Canada is trading at right now. Oh, SPY's coming back up. I do want to do a trade on SPY today. See, this is increasing 2%. Okay, so maybe I can open up more. Oh, look at it going down. Maybe I can open up more Air Canada for a month from now. If I do ac.to. Sorry guys, this is shaping up to be a slightly longer video. So I do at 15. This is so low. I want to make more than this. I do see it. Man, I want to do 30 contracts total. Man, this is so low. So it keeps dropping. I wonder if I can get these filled at a higher price. I'm going to ask for more. Man, this is not. I wanted a lot more. I want to, what did I'll show you guys what I had it at initially. I sold it at $62 a contract before, so now it's half. It keeps dropping though. Maybe I'm not going to do the midpoint because I feel like I can get more for this. Let me do at least $35 a contract. This is kind of low. Maybe I should wait for a better entry point. Look, see how it keeps dropping. It's a heavy day, minus 2% already. I'm going to ask for more. I don't like this. I don't like just getting this much. Maybe at least $5 more per contract. Make me feel a little bit better about myself. Let's put this order in. So this is everything I'm doing for now. I'm going to try to find a SPY entry point. I do want to sell credit spreads. So a pattern I'm seeing here, like it'll test VWAP a little bit. See, there's not much volume. The volume on open was huge. I do think it's going to test VWAP. We'll see what happens. If it bursts up, it might continue up for the day. But I'm still going to monitor. I'm going to try to open up a trade. Hopefully I can film that. I'm going to try to keep this video under 15 minutes. This was a long one already. So tune in for that one. If not, I'll just do a recap at the end of the day what happens. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, we're back. It's near the end of the day. It's around 3:30 p.m. I do want to show you some trades that I've done today. I found good setup on Apple. I sold 15 spreads on Apple, and I also sold 15 call credit spreads on SPY. So I'm going to close those out right now. I'm done letting spreads expire worthless just because of pin risk. I've read some bad videos online. I've seen some things of people losing money of after hours. So I'm just going to try to close everything out. So for Apple, if you see right now, it's around 3:30 p.m. I got half an hour left. I sold an Apple put credit spread at 103 and 98. And then I also sold a 337, 342 spread on SPY. And right now it's 331. So pretty good here. A lot of room. I don't think this would end up in the money, but Apple might after hours. So let's close those out right now. Let's see what they look like actually. If I go SPY, if I just do by strategy, I hope you guys can't hear the dump truck out back. It always comes when I'm filming a video. So take a look here. I made about, what is this? $270. Let's say after commissions, I'll probably walk away with $225, but not bad. I sold a 337, 342 call credit spread, 15 contracts. I'm done doing the 50 contracts. Like I would have made a lot of money on this, but it's just too risky. I'm just going to go 10 to 15 per day. So let me close this one out. Again, what is my risk? My risk is here. The 15 that I sold, because someone can force me to sell these. Someone can force me to sell them. 337 calls of SPY that I don't have. This would be 1,500 shares I don't have. This is not my risk because I have to exercise these options. And I'm not going to exercise it today. We're $11 away from this 342 strike. So I'm going to close this one out and then we'll be good. So here, buy 15 contracts at one. It should say buy to close. There we go. $31 total. This is the downside of Questrade is the high commission, but let's get rid of this. Boom. Filled right away. See, order filled. Now let's take a look at Apple. That's really loud. I really hope you guys can't hear that. Okay, 103.75, 98.75. So I am a few dollars away, but Apple could hit this price after hours. You know, okay, maybe not. I still don't want to risk it. $4, something could happen. I'd rather not. It's just best to close, even though I will lose a little bit. What's annoying is that people still aren't selling it at $1 each. I don't really want to pay $2 for these. So let me click here. Again, this is my risk. Someone can force me to buy 1,500 shares at 103, but I don't have the money. I don't want to be stuck in this position, so I'll close these ones out. I will do it at 1 penny. I'm not going to pay 2 for it. It would just double. So right now, so see how this is 15. If I double it, obviously this would go to 30, and I'd rather not. So let me close this one out. Buy to close, 15. These obviously won't get filled right away, but I really hope they do. I'll probably adjust at 3:55, close to 4 p.m. just to make sure these get closed out. So that is all for today. what did I end up making on these two spreads? So this one was 200, the other one was like 225. So I'm at 425 realized for the day on top of all the other options I sold. Everything else was either a covered call or a cash secured put. I got the cash obviously because I sold them, but I'm still on the hook for the obligation because some of them expire next week, some of them expire next month. So I'm not counting that as realized yet. Those are unrealized. The only amount I made realized this week today was around the 400 on the credit spreads because I'm closing them out. That's it for this video. A little bit of a longer one today. Hopefully I can cut some of the boring parts out. I'm going to try to release one of these per week where I show you my live trades. I know I do a lot of trades per week. It would be more interesting if you saw all of them, but I think it would be too many videos. I don't want to lose any subscribers if they're only focusing on some of the dividend stocks I do versus some of the subscribers that only follow my options videos. But that's it for today. Made around $400. Not bad for a day's work. Thanks, guys.